Welcome to Car Fluids 101, a comprehensive guide for women on checking and topping up vital fluids. Today, we'll cover the importance of regularly checking and topping up essential car fluids, even if you're not a car expert. Let's start with oil. Your car's engine needs oil to lubricate its moving parts and prevent overheating. To check the oil level, locate the dipstick, usually with a brightly colored handle, on the engine. Pull it out, wipe it clean, then reinsert it fully. Finally, pull it out again and ensure the oil level falls between the minimum and maximum marks. Next up, coolant. Coolant helps regulate the engine's temperature. Locate the coolant reservoir, usually transparent and easily identifiable. Check the fluid level against the markings on the side. If the level is low, add a mixture of equal parts coolant and water to maintain the correct level. Moving on to windshield washer fluid. This fluid keeps your windshield clean and clear while driving. Find the washer fluid reservoir, usually with a blue cap and labeled with an icon resembling a windshield. Make sure it's filled to the indicated level with a mixture of water and washer fluid concentrate. Remember, these fluids are essential for your car's smooth operation, and neglecting them can lead to costly repairs or even breakdowns. Regularly checking and topping up these fluids will keep your car running smoothly and help extend its lifespan. Thanks for watching this comprehensive guide on checking and topping up vital car fluids. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more car maintenance tips and tricks. Stay safe and happy driving.